Hello everyone and welcome back to another video. And in today's video we're checking out Windows 7 Emerald Edition because this is a real thing. So yeah, it is a real thing. So let's just boot up the virtual machine here, and obviously Windows is loading files. As you can see, it's booting up into the setup. I've actually never gone through this because I wanted to save my reaction for video. So yeah, we got so far the normal Windows 7 boot screen. So they haven't changed this. It says starting Windows. It still says Microsoft. Um, Now where is the? Oh yeah, it's the normal boot screen because yeah, the animation there hasn't been changed. It's still the normal boot screen. So yeah, as you can see, it's still the exact same thing. You still got the Windows logo here. So yeah, so that's the same boot screen. So we haven't seen any changes yet. I don't even know if there is any changes. I've actually never been through this. And it looks like we have the normal setup background too, but it looks like it's kind of automated there. It skipped the first part where you have to select your language and everything. So it just says setup is starting. So yeah, maybe there's not like customization in the setup because maybe they didn't know how to change the setup background and everything. Oh, there we go. So apparently it loads setup first and then it just does this. We got this white background for Windows 7, which I have not seen before. It still says Windows 7. It says Windows 7 Ultimate actually. So that's pretty strange. It might have not been updated. This might actually just be a normal Windows 7 ISO. So we got this Windows 7 Ultimate Service Pack 1. It's the same license terms. It didn't ask if you want to do an upgrade or custom install. It just jumped into custom install, and then it's click next. So yeah, we're just gonna do a time lapse here because that's really. Okay, so we're in, and this kind of looks like Windows 8. You can see this, and we got another custom background here. So we're gonna type in my name here, Rootwick, and we're gonna call this Win 7 Emerald. Next, we're gonna type in the password. So yeah, pretty nice password. It's password. Okay. What do you mean the passwords do not matter? Okay, this is dumb. Apparently, I do not know how to spell the word password, so that's stupid. We're not going to put in the product key. Ask me later for updates, and we're going to go to Central Time. Daylight Saving Time is on, so that's fun. Home Network, because, okay, this is the new loading animation. So this leads me to believe that this has a bit of Windows 8 inside. So, that's going to be pretty interesting. So, yeah, as you can see, we are just, okay, there we go, Windows 7 Ultimate. Windows is finalizing your setting. Installing Windows Loader. Oh, okay. Um, wow, so apparently it's freaking installing Windows Loader. So, please do not use this in real life. I do not condone pirating software. Just saying that, this is just for edutainment purposes or education entertainment purposes. But yeah, as you can see, we've got the new loading dots animation for some reason. Stop it. Oh, it's restarting, huh? Okay, so yeah, we've got that for some reason. That actually kind of looks pretty cool. Let's see if we have a custom boot screen. No, we don't. We still have the same boot screen. So yeah, that's going to be pretty okay, I guess. I mean, I don't know. So yeah, we're just going to. Okay, so I really do not know what to do. As you can see, we've got the what looks like the Windows 8 user account profile picture. Uh, this could be the server 2012 one though. So let's log in. As you can see, it has the loading dots animation, of course. So, yeah. Preparing your desktop. Wow, very, very cool. Okay. So, Um, I, nope, still no, still no. Okay, so. And here we go. This actually, wait, this is the wallpaper from Windows 10 beta builds. It's 7601 though. Wait, what? 70? Okay, what? This does not look like Windows 7. Daylight saving time began on Sunday, March 9th. Yeah, that's true. Let's open up the start menu. And yeah, this actually kind of looks like a freaking Windows 8 build clone. If we go to let's say personalize here, let's go to like personalize. Okay, so there's actually a couple of themes here. Right now we have the Metro theme applied. And as you can see, there we got the normal themes, but I'm pretty sure we have to install Windows Aero for this to work. So I'm just going to create a snapshot of the virtual machine. Call this before tools, before VMware tools, and wait for that to happen. Why does the recycle bin look like that? I am so confused. Why does the recycle bin actually look like that? So now we're going to go to desktop ISOs. I'm going to put in VMware Tools 10 because obviously I'm going to install VMware Tools now. So I'm going to go to File Explorer with that icon that is in the Windows 10 build. These icons are all, yeah, we can see we got the Windows 8 or 10 icon. So that's pretty strange to be honest. So let's just launch VMware Tools here. So yes, we got. Looks like we got the sounds too. What? Okay, let's go to Control Panel. Oh my! What on earth? We've got a ton of options in here. Probably because we're in the small icons view. I want to go to the category view, as you can see. Yeah, the icons have been changed. So yeah, that's pretty cool. Let's go to change theme. Where's sound? Oh, here it is, sound. So this sound scheme, there's like a bunch of sound schemes here, of course. We can see these are the, yeah, yeah, that's really weird. That's the normal Windows 10 sound schemes. Let's see if we have, the screen resolution. We can set it to 1920 by 1080, which is what we're going to do. Keep changes. Okay. And as you can see, autoplay came up way too late, of course. We're just going to do a time lapse of installing VMware Tools then. So, yeah. Okay, now we should be able to go to screen resolution. Oh, why did it reset to 1024 by 768? 1920 by 1080. Apply. And there we go, keep changes. Okay, so now we are in. So now we can take a look at. Oh wait, now we should have Windows Aero, right? Let me just see if we can even get Windows Aero working. Oh yeah, we can get Windows Aero working. As you can see here, we do have Windows Aero. Why did the themes go away? Oh, here it is, the Metro theme. Okay, there we go. We just had to reapply the theme. Okay, now we have Windows Aero, and it actually looks pretty good, to be honest, with this theme here. This kind of looks like something I would have on my computer. So yeah, that's pretty cool. We also got the Earth theme. As you can see, we've got the nice Earth theme here. I don't know what this had to do with emeralds, but the ISO was literally called Windows 7 Emerald. So as you can see, we've got this nice wallpaper. We've got next desktop. We've got a bunch of desktop backgrounds. This one actually looks really cool, to be honest. So there we got flowers, which obviously is self-explanatory, as you can see. I think these are just wallpapers from Windows 8. All of these. Yeah, all of these might just be wallpapers. We got the lines, which obviously this is from Windows 8 beta builds. I mean Windows 10 beta builds. I don't know where this one's from. This one I think is from Windows 10. I don't know. This one's pretty cool. I've never seen that one, and it just goes back to that, of course. So, oh, and this one I've seen in Windows 8 too. I've seen this one. I think I've seen this one definitely. Let's see if we can find the original Windows 8 desktop background. Do they even have it in here? I should probably just check here. We can probably check. No, it's not in here. So, oh, these are all of the, okay. So apparently there are none here. There's obviously the Metro one, which we took a look at, which there's only one desktop background. And we got Mother Nature, which has, this one. This one looks pretty nice too. I would probably keep it on this wallpaper. So yeah, we're gonna just keep it on this one, but we're gonna just change the background. Why is it called that? Windows desktop background. Okay, no, we'll just do that one. This is called image 1. Okay, cool. So as you can see, let's run WinVer to see if they modified anything. Nope, it still says Windows 7 Ultimate. If we can go into my computer properties, we can see it still says Windows 7 Ultimate. And why do we've got the genuine Microsoft product activation. Obviously, this is not activated. Please do not use this. There's a 32-bit operating system, so apparently it's only 32-bit. But it does recognize the AMD Ryzen 7 7730U. It doesn't say that it's a 64-bit processor though, so that's pretty confusing. But yeah, we're gonna just keep this on. Unsafe theme, pretty nice. So yeah, that's basically going to be the end of the video. Let's just save this theme. We'll call it 7Zeb Amazing Theme. And yeah, so that's basically going to be the end. Okay, no, we gotta do one thing at least. Let's open up Notepad, and as you can see, this actually looks pretty cool. Except there's no like rounded borders, but there still is Windows Arrow, so that looks pretty nice. Now we can change the font of course. We'll change it to like 18, and then we'll type in this is Windows 7 Emerald. Okay, this is not good. This is Windows 7 Emerald Edition. So yeah, I don't even know what this has to do with Emerald. I swear the ISO was literally called Emerald Edition. I can prove it to you by putting in the ISO. Yeah, let me just put in the ISO real quick because yeah. So as you can see, if we go into computer, it's literally called Windows 7 Emerald. This disk is called Windows 7 Emerald x86. So yeah, that is insane. As you can see right there, Windows 7 Emerald x86. I don't know why it's called Windows 7 Emerald, but that's the disk I literally just installed this operating system from. But that is really confusing. So yeah, that's gonna be basically the end of this video. So I hope you guys enjoyed, and I'm going to see you in the next video. So yeah, thank you for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.